Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, well then welcome. My name is Donna and I like talking about anything from fashion, style, luxury, handbags. So if you're into that stuff just as much as I am, please don't forget to subscribe below. It really does help the channel grow. And don't forget to hit that notification bell as well to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So today's video is going to be short and sweet. I am really excited for summer and looking forward for those warmer months ahead. So I recently did a little online shopping and I decided to invest in a pair of Dior Sunnies. So today we're going to be unboxing them and I'm really excited for this video because I did purchase them about a week or so. So I did receive them, I would say a week ago about, and I haven't unboxed them yet, so I'm going to be seeing them for the first time with all of you. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I did purchase them from Trendsavvy, and I usually never purchase sunglasses without trying them on first. I feel they can be very tricky, especially on my face. Anyway, we're not going to get into that today. But this time I was just in the mood to purchase a pair of sunglasses, and there was this huge sale going on at the same time. So it was that much harder to resist, so I felt, why not? But enough babbling, let's get to the unboxing. So let me get my scissors out. Let's see if I can kind of... So they do come in quite a little case like this. It does say Dior engraved into the side. The tissue. This is so cute. So inside the case, there is a little tag that does say Christian Dior Paris, as you can see. And it does also come with a sort of authenticity card. And here are the sunglasses. So guys, I got the Dior ID 2s and I absolutely adore them. They're beautiful. So they're all black, black on black with gray lenses. They are fairly light. They're lighter than I expected them to be. And the sides are just amazing. As you can see, it does say Christian Dior Paris on both sides. So you can see it's kind of a round pair of sunglasses, kind of a classic shape. The sides are thick. And although there is a kind of like logo mania going on, because it is black on black, I feel it's very subtle and you kind of can't really see it from far anyway. Let's try them on to see how they look. I absolutely adore them. It's perfect. They cover my eyebrows completely, which is what I like. They are big, but they're meant to be big and oversized as well. They're not too big though. I've had worse in the past. They're just beautiful. So as you can see, I do feel they're like the perfect pair of sunglasses. You can wear them to kind of elevate an outfit and add some mystery, kind of like a who's that girl moment. Or as well, they're perfect for if you're just not feeling it that day and you have to run out to run errands or grocery shopping. They're kind of like a grab and go pair of sunglasses where you just throw them on and no one sees anything. So as I mentioned before, I did buy them on a website called Trendsavvy. And for those of you who are not aware, it is an online shopping boutique that does sell a bunch of different designer brands. They sell anything from sunglasses to pre-loved handbags. And they are located in Montreal, so shout out to Montreal. As well, they do have the best selection of For Love and Lemons clothing. And when they decide to go on sale, let me tell you, it's a sale. They have great deals, great prices. There's free shipping to Canada and the US, which is amazing. But let's get back to the topic. So these sunglasses were posted on the website for 778 Canadian dollars plus tax, because you know, tax is never included in Canada, which are fairly pricey, I must admit. But that's the kind of the price Dior sunglasses do go for. But the day I visited the website, they were reduced to $400, let's say Canadian, plus tax obviously. Plus on top of that, they were having an extra 50% off already reduced sunglasses. So I purchased these for around $200 Canadian, tax included, which is phenomenal. And as you can see, they are very versatile. Now at the time that I am filming this video, I'm not sure if the sale is still going on. However, they do have these type of sales very often throughout the year. So if you keep visiting their website, I'm sure you'll fall onto the website when they are having that type of sale. So keep visiting the website and eventually I'm sure you will find a great deal. So now let's take a look at some more mod shots outside. So guys, that was my Dior Sunny unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure I will enjoy my Dior ID 2s this summer. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to leave all the Trendsavvy information in the description box, so take a look if you're interested. And if you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!